How's it going?
It's your last week, and then you're back to Argentina.
Yep.
Go back and see the familia.
Yep. Go and hit my dad over there.
Hi, hi. Who's this cowboy here?
It's Monty.
Monty. He's guarding the radio in the fridge full of drugs. How we going, Cowgirl Claire? It's gonna be awesome. What have you got for me, brother? So we got the palm.
We have.
Well, she's mostly Aussie. We got the Argentinian.
Yep.
We got the dirty Seppo. And over yonder, we've got the only Aussie to be seen here on this lovely feed yard. Cool beans. Well, we also have a breeding herd, don't we? How many breeders you running, Claire? 1,000 breeders. Son of a gun.
1,000 Angus breeders.
Big, beautiful blacks. All right, let's have a look at this thing.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. Hi, hi. Ooh, that ain't right. So we'll put that in. We'll give that a bit of a clean up, and then I'll put a bit of lignocaine around the base of it, and then we'll get a band around that, like the same stuff we use for castrating big, heavy bulls. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah, save her life. It's gonna be awesome. Okay. You wanna try this, brother?
Yeah.
Por favor, mi amigo. Clean up. Agua más fina. No, you're okay. There, if you hang on to that. Pull that tail up even. Like, oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Ooh. We'll give her some antibiotics as well and some anti-inflammatories to help. But see, it's got a bit of a pedunculated base, so that would have been a mass. Now the thing about these, they've often got a big bleeder as well. I've removed a few surgically, but if we put a band on that with a bit of lignocaine on it before, which is something actually my viewers said, hey, why didn't you put a bit of lignocaine on it? It's a good idea, actually. The band, once it's on there, kind of like on your finger, will eventually become numb. But if we put a bit of lignocaine in there at the front end, it'll help it feel good. And then that'll just drop off, and in the process, that blood supply will be closed off as well. Versus if you go cutting into it, it can get a little bit DEFCON-y if it turns out to be a big bleeder and if it's really encapsulated and stuff. The band is just a slick way of doing it. Works well. These were designed by John Calicrate. I'll show you that while you're. A bit of lignocaine. Y'all been to the dentist? Same sort of stuff, hey? Put air in the syringe, makes it easier to get out. Oh, Robbie, you're okay. I keep going through the skin, she'll keep jumping. Especially if I do it this way. You're okay. Just not so jumpy. Oh, cool beans. It's Calicrate banders. They've got a pretty nifty little thing here. As you can see, what happens, Charlie, is when you crunch that, it crunches a little metal clip that you're going to see in a minute.
Yep.
We use this, we dial it up here, so it's easy to put through the loop, and then it just ratchets like yay. Once she's tight enough, this little mechanism here, the spring in here, will hit the bottom, and that's kind of what they call the brains of the outfit, the old Calicrate. So there's the bands. So there's a seam on them. We'll put that seam up. Laces up, laces up. Put that through yay. And if you pull this snug, it kind of holds that clip in for you. Otherwise, sometimes that clip falls out. That's good to go. I'm gonna get this around that mass. There you go. Put it over here so it's not irritating to her tail. It's okay though. You're okay. Just kind of seat it a little bit. Give that a crunch. Yeah, I mean, it's a knife in there. It looks like a tag cutter. Black tip, that's one. And then when you cut these, you want to cut them quick at the same time. Otherwise, you see that, Charlie? Otherwise, they can pull back through. Check, yeah. Then come over here on the side. You can see that ring on there. As that starts to necrose, what'll happen is that'll slowly drop off, and yeah, it'll just keep getting tighter and tighter, and that'll fall off, and then look, she can go to the prom, and no one will make fun of her anymore. We let her out of the crush. Watch her leave the crush. Everyone always says, we never get to see him leave. This is the Thompson long-range chute. It's a pneumatic driven by air. Yeah, you like it? Take a look. Whoa, off you go, darling. That's her. Have fun in Argentina, brother.
Thank you.